The Pomodoro Technique. Why is it helpful? People are always looking for ways to focus their minds on a task, and there are so many out there that it's a minefield. So which one's for you? Why not try the Pomodoro Technique? Let me break down how it works, especially for aspiring writers who need a little bit of help. How it works is you break your day up into 30-minute segments. This consists of 25 minutes of deep work, followed by a 5-minute break. What you do is you do that 4 times, so 4 cycles of 25 and 5. And after that 4th cycle, you take a longer break of 30 minutes. So why 25 minutes, you ask? Well, it is the perfect length of time to help you not procrastinate. Be productive, create some urgency, and focus on the task that you have in hand. So there you have it, the Pomodoro Technique. Are you already using this technique? Does it work for you? Let us know in the comments below. Alternatively, are you following another technique that you'd like to share with us? Again, drop your comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts.